Hi everyone, wanted to take a second to make a quick video. First off, to say thank you for mostly following the directions in the exam. I know I'm a bit late on this. Also, quick introduction, hear my voice and whatnot. Some of you guys don't live in Rock Springs, you'll never see me. Others who do, you may see me that more often than not, or a face mask, but I like the bandana to not mess up the beard as much. Anyways, wanted to talk about the next test. We have another coming up, 4 in this class. First thing is the scratch work. So really, most problems will require something, and if you don't have anything to show, right, and you miss that question, I can't really award any credit because there's nothing for me to grade. So do your best to show or explain or draw the graph or whatever you did to solve that problem. All right. On that note, really, I know many things can be done on your calculator, but I'm looking that you understand it, right? I'm not really looking how well an app or your calculator or anything can do it. So your calculator should be used to check your answer. Your calculator should not be used to just obtain the answer. Okay, you can use it for assistance, right? Kind of guide you along until, oh yeah, now I remember how to do it. But it shouldn't be an ends all answer the question without zero work accompanying it. Next thing I want to talk is some of you didn't open a separate tab, which I'm fine with, but my math lab inside Canvas is so tiny, right? Especially if you click on the graphs. It's so tiny that it'd be really helpful to open the new tab and then you'd get the full screen. But no big deal if that's the way you want to do it. So last, I want to talk about the room scan. So what am I looking for? One, obviously I want to make sure no one else is in there, right? If you're taking the exam in your comfort of your own house, or at some of your still in high school, you're taking in a spare classroom or something, you need to know that you're taking the exam, not somebody else. And that's why it verifies your identity as well, because unfortunately I don't know you. The next thing is your desktop. Make sure you do that room scan. There shouldn't be any notebooks or anything lying around, no iPads, no phones. And on that note, I ask that you put your cell phone out of reach. So it only takes a second, right? Like at the beginning of the exam, here's my phone, and put it over there, out of reach. It's going to be a couple other things to talk about for this next exam. One is you need to be at a table or a desk or something, or floor. I don't care, something. If I'm taking in my bed and I do my room scan, it looks great, right? I don't really know. Oh, there's a whole bunch of notes under there, right? Or an iPad is hidden, or a second phone. It really compromises this exam. You get the advantage of taking it at your house. Let's follow directions and not open that door for academic dishonesty. Most students are doing well, and I know you're not cheating at all, but if there's a suspicion, and I could see it in your work, and the room scan is poor, I have to assume something happened. Alright, again, another video will come about your desktop, but looking at this, here's an entire notebook. I don't know what's in there, right? Even if you show me your scratch paper here, there's a whole page of notes, right? Formulas. So that's what I'm looking for. I thank you for the discussion board as well. I hope that was a good break. I didn't reply to them all. Grading those tests took quite a while, but I did read through them all. It just saved me some time to not reply and just grade them as is. So thank you for that, and look forward to the rest of the semester.